it all back, hate the things that you said. Cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away. And I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Confession I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Okay guys, I'm back and we finished the controller here. We finished the remote and then we have the other part there. So now I have to solder some of the components. So here, right now we're going to be soldering these. So all of these are different pins and we need to put banana plugs on each of these. Like banana plugs like this. So I'm gonna solder all of them and you guys can watch, I guess. So yeah, let's roll the montage of me soldering and hopefully I don't do an awful job.
In the beginning, there was time.